In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email address on Cloudflare. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your dashboard, what information you need, and how to save the change confidently. Before we begin, make sure you have the new email address you want to use and your Cloudflare account password handy. It's also a good idea to do this from a secure device and a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions. First, open your Cloudflare account by signing in through your usual browser. Once you're in the dashboard, look toward the top right corner where your account avatar or name appears. Click that to open your account menu, then choose the profile option. This takes you to the area where your personal account settings are managed. On the profile page, look for the section that controls your contact details. You'll see an option labeled Update Email. Click that to begin the change. Here, you'll be asked to enter the new email address you'd like to use. Type it carefully, then confirm it by entering the same address again in the confirmation field. This double entry is important because it prevents typos from locking you out later. Take a moment to glance over both fields and make sure they match exactly, including punctuation and spelling. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your current Cloudflare account password. This step confirms that it's really you making the change. Type your password, and when you're ready, click Save. If anything doesn't look right, Cloudflare will let you know so you can correct it before proceeding. If everything is in order, the save action will apply your new email to the account. A quick tip while you're on this page: avoid copying and pasting the email address if you can, since hidden spaces sometimes slip in. Typing it out carefully helps prevent small mistakes. Also, consider keeping your browser tab open for a moment after clicking Save so you can see any on-screen confirmation and be sure the update completes. That's all there is to it. Open your Cloudflare account, click your profile, select the profile option, click Update Email, enter and confirm your new address, enter your password, and click Save. From now on, you'll use the new email as your account contact. If you ever need to review this process, just return to your profile page and you'll find the same update email option ready when you are. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you make the change smoothly and confidently.